The sky is freaking jet. What up, guys? Good afternoon. Alright, so I'm just checking out, like going out of my house. I need to buy some stuff. Alright, so yes, because, and again, I need to come back on time because I need to stream. Okay, because last year I wasn't just giving myself enough sleep, like enough rest as I would sometimes. Towards the afternoon when I'm hungry, you know, I kind of eat, because it's only in the afternoon I tend to like eat solid food like eba, rice and all of that stuff. You guys know we are Africans, we eat all of this stuff very well. So towards afternoon I eat eba or akpu, and when I eat those kind of foods in the afternoon, it really makes me feel really sleepy. So sometimes I usually don't sleep enough. Like I kind of stress myself, be like, oh no, I don't want to sleep, I want to work, I want to finish my work and all of that. So it would eventually, you know, make me feel headache. So most of the time I used to complain to you guys last year that I feel headache, I'm feeling headache and all of that. It is actually because I don't give myself enough sleep when I'm supposed to sleep. Like when the sleep is just holding me really tight and close, I don't sleep. So yesterday I was really sleepy. I was feeling sleepy, so I had to like give myself that sleep that my body needed. So I slept towards in the afternoon, so I couldn't stream, so I have to stream today. Today is actually Thursday. Okay, I don't know when I'm going to be posting the video, but today is Thursday. But anytime I'm going to be posting the video, you guys are going to be seeing it. Yeah guys, so I'm heading out. I need to buy some stuff and I will be back very soon. Alright, for now let's continue the talk later. Peace. So sometimes in the afternoon like this, I don't even know where the security guy used to go, but at the moment he's not around, so I have to go down and open the gate myself. So let's go. You see me do that, I'm gonna be pushing the gate. Let's go. Alright, so just like I said, I told you guys he wasn't around, so I was surprised that the gate was actually opening itself before, you know, getting there, not knowing that that baby, she just came back from school and she just had to like open the door for me. Alright, so I have to close the door again myself. So I'm packing to close the door, the gate. I'll be right back. Back, baby. I am back from doing the job. Alright, so let me go and we're gonna be chatting like much later, okay? I don't want to vlog while on this road because you guys know that this my road is kind of a little bad. So we're gonna be vlogging maybe when I come back, or maybe when I'm there. If I'm just in the mood to vlog, a vlog. I love vlogging on the street. You don't know how sweet it is to just hold the camera on the street and every freaking person is looking at you. Sometimes very interesting because you automatically become a celebrity that everybody will be looking at you and be like, what is she doing? Alright guys, so we're gonna talk soon. What up guys, good morning. Alright, so I'm actually in church today, Sunday, and kind of standing outside behind these beautiful flowers. And yeah guys, I didn't tell you guys, like this year is I usually don't have like a resolution kind of thing for the year and all of that, but I just want to choose to, give to people, no matter how small it is. Okay, I just want to learn, not even learn because I know how to give, but I just want to practice it more. So even if I didn't do it for so long, you guys should ask me, Edith, what's up? I didn't see you. So because I'm always going to be filming, me giving to people, no matter what it is and no matter how small it is, even if it's just going to be the smallest thing like Indomie to people, to motherless and to the needy and to people who want to receive something or want food and all of that. So that is actually my desire for this year that I want to give. So having said all of that, last week I bought something in my car and I want to give to the children in the church because I have a lot of them here. Okay, so I bought something. I have a lot of children here. So I bought bobo, packet of bobo to give to kids here, and the bobo is inside. So let me go to the booth and get it so I can give it out. Goodness! What's up? I dey come for you. I dey come. I'll come. Where you did? Look at you. Goodness. Hold this camera. Film me. I want to give it to you. What's up? Come.
Okay.
Hold on, don't film my boots. Don't film
What's that boots again?
boots because there are.
Okay, now later now.
No problem. So this is actually what I want to give to the family, the kids around there. Are you feeling my face? So let's go. Me too, but it's a kind gesture. I just want to give this to our primary. Everybody. Thank you very much. Everybody, Sister Juju.
Thank you.
No problem. So you guys should enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
If I didn't give you guys for so long, you guys should ask me because this is the New Year.
Okay.
New Year package.
Okay.
2018 package.
Okay. We'll shall be asking you.
So,
Thank you.
oops.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Alright, so I'm done with all of that. Let me go to my class and listen to them. So we're going to be chatting later. Alright?